Okay, if you finish make this, we have to make another star to make the star is beautiful, and then create another star. Actually, this is the same way, just the differences of the star is the color. Okay, click Polystars tool. Before that, we have to make another layer in the star, and then click Polystars tool, change color to be yellow, and then create the star wherever you want the background, just like this. If you finish make a star, okay, wait, click in the first frame, and then first lock the layer 1, and then block all of the star, and then click one of the star, and then convert to symbol, click OK right there, and then click filters right here, and then click button plus right here, choose blur, and then click properties, color, change alpha, increase the opacity to be 100%. Click in the 10 frame, insert keyframe right here. Okay, insert keyframe right here, you can see. And then reduce the opacity to be 50%. Reduce the opacity to be 50%. That's what it looks like, almost disappear the star. And then click in the 20 frame right here. You can see the star is almost flashing, and then insert keyframe in the frame of 20, and then click one of the star, increase the opacity to be 100% again, and then just copy paste the frame like this. If you finish, you can see, click Ctrl plus Enter to see the movie. Okay, you can see the star is flashing, and then click frame rate in the timeline, and then change frame rate from 12 to be, for example, 30. Okay, and then click. So it will be looks like the star flashing smoothly. Okay, so this is how to make a flashing star for me. Okay, this is all my presentation. I hope you guys learning from this presentation, and don't forget to try at home. Okay, I'm Shahrul, back to you. Thank you.